Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonja and you're watching Domestic Diva Home. Today I am sharing with you my home daycare Halloween room tour. I have really went all out and decorated my classroom because our town isn't doing Halloween, so I thought it would be so much fun to bring whatever I would decorate outside inside and really give kids a lot of fun things to look at and play with during next 2 weeks before Halloween. We are, like I said, I don't think there's going to be any trick-or-treating, so I will, on the day before Halloween, because Halloween's on Saturday, I will have a party and fill up some kidney bowls for them and just really give them a really good time. So I thought I should have a room to match that. So this video is also part of an open invite collaboration hosted by Robin Johnson. If you haven't checked out Robin Johnson, make sure you do. Her link will be down in the description box, as well as the playlist for this tour, for this collab. And she had invited us to share our Halloween decor, whether that's from porch, whether that's just a couple things in our home or a full home tour. So I am sharing with you my home daycare classroom, which is in my home. So let's get started. So as we walk in, you right away see my little bulletin board. I did not go too much on it. This year I kind of just stuck to some dollar store signs and a couple bats and just kept it really simple because the rest of the room is so busy. I have hung up these ghosts that typically I hang out outside on my trees, and I also have the little lanterns. Those typically do come up here during Halloween. So if we turn over to the right, I have my little reading corner over there, and I had put in this table that I had recently upcycled. I'm just going to move this chair out of the way. Also on that, I just wanted a table to just kind of do like a interest center kind of thing. And I have included a couple of my DIYs here that I have made. I need to get a battery for a candle to go up there, but I'm using it for something else right now. And then I just have a couple of these fun things on a table, and this currently just has some pumpkins and apples, and I'm going to put candy over here after. And I have, this is like that web that you can get at the dollar store, and then I also have a table runner, spider table runner here, just to protect the table from kids touching it. And then my haunted house that I DIY'd recently, as well as the ghost. Then as I move over here, it's my calendar, and I just included this pumpkin topiary along with our calendar. And then lots of Halloween and fall books here. And then just some fun spiders going up. I have a hard time keeping those on though. And then up here, I just have my candelabra that I DIY'd and both of these pumpkins. And we just celebrated Thanksgiving, so that's why that's up there. But I thought it's our October theme as well, which is fall, Thanksgiving, and Halloween. I just have a picture that actually my daughter made in grade school, and my really fun pumpkin that I DIY'd. I will link all the DIYs from my DIY channel in the description box. That way, if you want to check any of them out, you can. Then as we turn this way, I just have a pumpkin that came from Costco in there. And it does make scary noises. I won't be putting that on because I don't want to scare any of the little kids. So that will just stay on like that. They have a little dress-up center, and then I just put a couple things up on the bulletin board. Then over on this side is my craft and lunch area, and I just have a tablecloth. It's the vinyl one from Dollar Store, but I bought a round one instead of a rectangular one, but it still works. And we do lots of crafts at this table, so that's pretty much it as far as the Halloween decor on that side. And then just up here, I added a little Happy Halloween sign from the Dollar Store. I think it came from Dollar Tree. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love it if you consider subscribing, pressing the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future videos. And I would like to thank Robin for hosting this collaboration. I enjoyed participating with it. I love Halloween. I don't decorate a whole lot upstairs, usually just a candy table, but I'm not doing that this year, so I moved it all downstairs. So until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.